The rapid technological advances in space are being put to use for the benefit of humanity. India is already using space technology for communication, telemedicine, education, information dissemination, monitoring weather, among others. Extending this deed, ISRO and US space agency NASA have collaborated in a joint Earth observation mission named NISAR for global observations over all land masses. In a recent development, NISAR is proposed to be launched in early 2023 as suggested by Earth Sciences Minister Jitendra Singh. In today's video, let us understand what the dedicated mission is all about. NISAR is an SUV-sized satellite that is dedicatedly developed by the space agencies of the US and India for studying hazards and global environmental change. The mission that is equipped with the largest reflector antenna ever launched by NASA will measure Earth's changing ecosystems and dynamic surfaces, spotting warning signs of imminent volcanic eruptions on one hand and ice masses on the other, providing information about biomass, natural hazards, sea level rise, and aid in monitoring groundwater supplies. NISAR, the word finds its origin in NASA-ISRO SAR, will observe Earth's land with 12-day regulatory on ascending and descending passes, sampling Earth on average every 6 days for a baseline 3-year mission. Synthetic Aperture Radar or SAR refers to a technique for producing high-resolution images from a resolution-limited radar system that NASA will use to measure changes in Earth's surface. Because of the utter precision, the radar can penetrate clouds and darkness, which means that it is capable of collecting data in any weather, at any time in the day or at night. The NISAR spacecraft will accommodate two different fully capable synthetic aperture radar frequencies, namely L-band and S-band. NASA and ISRO are providing two radars. The 24 cm wavelength L-band synthetic aperture radar LSAR is by NASA, while a 10 cm wavelength S-band SAR is provided by ISRO. The SAR will measure the changes in our planet's surface, less than a centimeter across. In this way, SAR beats the resolution limits of what can physically be put in space to provide images. NISAR is one of the crucial collaborations of ISRO and NASA. India and the US had agreed upon this mission during then-President Barack Obama's visit to India in 2015. The major scientific objectives of the NISAR mission are to improve understanding of the impact of climate change on Earth's dynamic ecosystem, land and coastal processes, land deformations, and price of air. It is a known fact that humanity's exposure to natural hazards is increasing more than ever. NISAR is designed to measure changes ranging from small movements of the crust up to volcanic eruptions, sea level change, land subsidence, tsunamis, volcanoes, earthquakes, and landslides. There is a need to improve the understanding of forecasting in order to save thousands of people and billions of dollars in damage every year. NISAR's global and rapid coverage will provide unprecedented opportunities for disaster response, providing data to assist in mitigating and assessing damage with observations before and after disasters in short time frames. Here, ISRO identified science and applications that were complementary to the primary mission objectives: agricultural monitoring and characterization, landslide studies, Himalayan glacier studies, soil moisture, coastal processes, coastal winds, among others, that are crucial for India. As the ISRO's motto says, space technology in the service of humankind. The mission NISAR will harness space technology for national development, addressing and increasing exposure to natural disasters while mitigating disasters and sustaining resources. That is all for today's segment. Thank you for watching.